Looking at a CGAM today, actually two CGAMs, and we had 3 compressors go out on compressor fault. Now, the first one I went to, the compressor module not closing the M1 to M2 relay. So I robbed another module off another compressor, off of an existing compressor. This one's been replaced, it looks like already. And our green light's on now, and our relay's closed. So that's pretty definitive. We've got a bad compressor module, at least on this one, and maybe on the other 2. So this is hard to tell on video, but I got 2 flashing red, 2 flashing orange, both compressors, which is phase failure. So I'm gonna have to look into that on this other chiller. We'll start here at the contactors. 480, 480, 480, 480, 480, 480. Obviously I can't see inside these things, so we'll give it the old reset and see what happens. So I just unplugged power to both of these modules, plugged it back in, and we got a green light now. So this chiller, the customer reset yesterday, but if they didn't reset it high voltage wise, like shutting off the disconnect, I'm guessing these compressor protectors would not have reset. So, fingers crossed. Have one compressor on. 7 amps, 1 amps, 30 amps. A little bit of an imbalance. Chiller. And this one, we got no alarms on circuit 2. We already know circuit 1 has got issues.